Today I am sharing 10 minutes healthy dinner. So let's get to the recipe. To make this, I have already soaked 2 tablespoons of raw oats as it reduces the content of phytic acid. You can also even soak the oats for about 1 hour to 2 hours if you face digestive problems. Okay, once the oats are mashed, it's time to add them into another bowl and add some vegetables like carrot, onion, and capsicum. I personally like the crunch of onion and capsicum. That's why I not grated it. Next, I'm adding half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of black pepper crushed. Add rock salt as per your taste. Lastly, add 2 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. Now it's time to add water and mixed all them to melt the flavors with each other. Make sure that you don't add too much water and the consistency of your batter is neither too thick or neither too thin. Heat the tawa on the low flame. Once it is heated, grease the oil. I'm using stone pressed mustard oil. Now pour a ladleful of batter into round small circles to give us nice shape to these healthy rich in protein fiber complex carbs gluten free pancakes. Flip it over once they are golden brown in color and serve them hot. I personally like to serve it with homemade salt or meaty chutney. Your super healthy, tasty and satisfying dinner is ready to enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.